Can you explain? Actually, can you tell me again?
Yeah, do you have any campaign running right now? Like active campaign running?
Yeah, I have the running campaign, but it's not YouTube ads regarding. It's a Google ads regarding. So it's my Cyprus client. I mean, so his business is pet business. So right now I'm working on this project. Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Um, so walk me through how do you set up a campaign? For my, let's say I have a client right now
Yeah.
that wants to set up 90 days campaign. How do you set it up?
Okay. So first of all, I recommend to actually I work like that. I'm just telling you. First of all, I see the website or YouTube channel also, and I notice and I realize I try to understand where the issues have right now. So that's why I'm working on that, and after that I research the competitor, like in your any kinds of business regarding. So that's after that make a strategy regarding, I mean, against the business competitors. After that, I research the keywords and know the targeted location and audience base and all types of settings I make, and then I run the advertisement campaign, and I see my result for my respected clients. Yeah. So that's the basically roadmap. And when we required the tracking system, then we work on that section. I mean tracking section.
Okay, so
Yeah.
what's your conversion rate? What's your ad conversion rate?
Yeah. Most of the time, actually, conversion rate is the. It's vary. The depends on different kinds of campaigns. Like right now, the conversion rate is so good, and sometimes is down because it's a AI technology based system. Google Ads is a AI technology based, so that's why it's depends on the Google algorithm, and few things depends on myself because I'm a marketing magician or marketing guy. So so depends on very wise, I mean project wise. Yeah.
Uh,
And
so
I want to tell you one thing. As a newbie project, I mean as one newbie project, we recommend to our respected clients to run minimum 5 to 7 days. Then we find out the algorithm, find out the system, how this campaign is performed likely and better or not. So after that we make another strategy, and then we see the good result.
okay.
Yeah.
Have you worked with Go High Level?
Yeah.
Have you worked with Go High Level? Do you have any idea working with Go High Level?
Yeah. Go high level is a one kind of CRM system. I preferred, I work on Zapier. You know that Zapier also.
Yeah, I know
Yeah,
Zapier.
yeah. But Go High Level is a CRM like Zapier type of CRM, and here we can track the all campaigns, and most of the complex type of tasks we can easily solve out in here. So, and tracking settings also here we can work.
So you don't use Go High Level.
No, it's first time, but I know for these settings, and I'm most of the familiar to the Zapier, but don't worry because it's a settings, and I can learn from it, no problem.
learn. So how long will it take you to get my client started? So let's say I got a client right now that's ready to start. How long will it gonna take you?
Actually, your voice is cut down, so that's why I'm not clear about your.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, right now.
I said, how long is it gonna take you to set up my client ad campaign on YouTube with the landing pages and everything? How long is it gonna take you to get started? Because yeah, how long?
Actually, I can tell you after seeing the YouTube channel, your client's YouTube channel, and then I can tell you properly.
Uh, sorry.
Actually,
Do you mean my client? What do you mean by my YouTube channel?
because your project is YouTube related project, I mean, you telling about the YouTube ads related project, yes or not?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So first of all, we need to, as a marketing guy, we need to see the channel, and any most of the time we can tell you the proper guideline after seeing the channel. I hope you know also.
My client does not have any YouTube channel.
Oh, so
So how do you handle that?
actually, your clients don't have the YouTube channel right now.
No, they don't have a YouTube channel. They don't.
Oh, but he want to, but his project is YouTube ads related, so how is it possible? I little bit confused. Can you explain?
Yeah, sure. So my client, right? How do you YouTube campaign? The client does not need to own a YouTube page, right? The client does not even need to. The page does not need to be optimized. Just a single page that can be created and then
Okay.
the video uploaded, right?
Hmm.
And the video is uploaded as enlisted. So I don't think the channel is a problem.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
how do you run a campaign like that?
Yeah, it's a process. Uh, I think it will be very, I mean, helpful when we start the project, and I can tell you more better.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Um, so I still have a couple more interview to do. So let me finish up my interview and then I will decide.
Yeah, of
I
course.
pick you.
Yeah.
If you make the call, then I will let you know. Yeah, but say I decide to work with you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Say I decide to work with you. How long will you ask for? Like how much do you think? How much do you want to be paid per client
Okay.
per month?
Actually, I saw your budget is 1,000 per month. Yes or not?
Yes.
Yes. But
Yes,
actually,
right.
I provide two types. I mean, two ways for my respected clients. Like I am telling you, what's the ways. One way is 15 days for 350 USD. Okay, and another is 700 to 1,000. That's our per month. I mean 13 days. I hope you understand also.
No, I don't understand. Come again.
You don't understand?
Yeah, say that again.
Okay, no problem. Actually, I provide the service two ways. One way is 15 days service pays. I mean service fees 350 USD. Okay, actually 350 USD for 15 days only. And second is 30 days for 700 to 1,000 USD per month.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you charge $100
So
per month
now
advance.
I'm asking you. So what your opinion and what do you want to deal with me? So I'm just telling you like a elder brother.
Alright, so I have to check back after
Yes, yes, yes. It's most important thing.
my
Yeah,
interview. I have to check and then I'll know how much I think I'll work with you. Then I'll let you know.
yeah. It's the most important thing.
Okay.
So no
Alright, so
problem.
I think
You finish your
yeah, that
interview and then finish your dealing with your clients, and then we are also connected again. No problem.
up to you. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, Basil.
Lakshman, how do you pronounce your name?
My Lakshman,
Oh, Lakshman.
Lakshman. Yeah,
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you so
yeah,
much,
yeah.
Lakshman.
What do you
It
think
was nice
my
talking.
names? Actually, your pronunciation. I want to listen from you.
Oh, Lakshman.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right. No problem.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Uh,
All right. Bye.
See you soon again. No problem.
Okay.
Okay.